In the world of addressing excessive fat and body contouring in a non-surgical pathway, the science is very simple. You need to dissolve or melt away the fat cells. This is accomplished by 3 different technologies. You either destroy the fat by freezing it, known as CoolSculpting, or by utilizing radiofrequency energy, known as TruSculpt, or using lasers to destroy fat cells, known as SculpSure. In the future, there will be more and more technologies which will effectively help reduce the amount of the fat cells or fat in our body. Now, they do not work as well as liposuction, but they have advantage of having no downtime. Some of them you'll have to do it more than once, perhaps twice or even up to 4 times. However, again, it has no downtime and it has no bruising, no incision, no anesthesia necessary for these treatments. For many patients, that is a wonderful approach, since either they are not healthy enough to qualify for the liposuction, which is the permanent one, or perhaps they could be on certain medical contraindications like blood thinners, medication, and so forth, which they qualify for the non-surgical approach of fat elimination. If you're interested in a non-surgical fat reduction of your body, please contact the Liposuction and Cosmetic Surgery Institute.